Yes, student. Now, in surface chemistry, you should know that some of the portion are deleted by the CBSE. If you will check your NCERT book, after the adsorption phenomenon, there is a catalyst, catalysis, type of catalysis, okay, emulsion, enzyme and enzyme catalysis, along with activity topic, selectivity topic and zeolites. These contents are given, but actually these contents are deleted. Okay, which one? All type of catalyst, catalysis, the theory of catalysis, enzyme catalysis, emulsion, zeolite, activity, selectivity. These topics are deleted. Therefore, now we are going to deal the next content, okay, which is introduced, okay, and is not deleted, is what? Colloids. Student, in previous class, 9th or 10th class, you are familiar with one more state of substance, that is type of substance, like true solution and suspension. The intermediate state of the substance or solution is known as the colloids. Okay, in colloids, the particle size is 1 to 1000 nanometer. Okay. These are called the state of substance. These are not called a substance but called a state of substance. Getting? These do not settle down when kept for some time. These are heterogeneous, getting? Translucent in nature, and they shows very important effect called Tyndall effect. That is what? Scattering of light. The example is the formation of micelle when the soap is dissolved in water, and the formation of starch solution or colloid when the starch powder is added to water. Getting? Colloid particle are in the intermediate range of solution and suspension. Therefore, being little big size of particle, they are unable to pass through simple filter paper but can pass through animal cells or animal membrane, which we termed as semi-permeable membrane. Student, in the solution, you are familiar with solution, that is true solution must consist two very important components: solvent, which is present in larger quantity, in which the solute is dissolved, and the second one is solute, which is present in lesser quantity and which gets dissolved, okay, in the solvent. Similarly, in the colloids, there must be essentially two components. One is called dispersion medium. You can take the dispersion medium like solvent component, that is it present in larger quantity, and the substance dispersed in the dispersion medium and form colloids. And the second one is called dispersed phase. It is like solute component of solution and it dispersed thoroughly in the dispersion medium, forming a colloid. Getting? Next one, the classification of colloids. Like we have classified the solution on the basis of many of the factors. Like here, suppose we classified the colloids on the basis of physical state of components. Physical state of components. Now you know that there are two components: dispersion medium and dispersed phase. Get it? Dispersion medium is large and dispersed phase is in lesser quantity. So on the basis of physical state, it has also 8 types, but in solution the physical state classification is given on the given 9 type. Here only 8 type. Which 8 type? So here it is given in the detail. If the dispersion medium is taken as solid and solid, like dispersion medium is solid and dispersed phase is also solid. such type of colloids are called solid soul. Solid soul like gemstone. Okay, gemstone means what? Like we are saying ruby, na blue. Okay, red. Okay, they are called what? Gemstone. Getting colored glasses. Okay, for decorative purpose we are using colored glasses. So actually gemstone means what? Here SiO2, silicon dioxide, and some impurities of solid are added. Iron oxide, chromium oxide, okay, aluminum oxide. This become what? Gemstone. If the dispersion medium is solid again, but the dispersed phase is liquid, that is in lesser quantity, the liquid particles are present. This is called what? Gel. Okay, you know about the gel, you are familiar. Many times you are using the gel. This is for cleaning purposes. Even now the hair gel is also introduced this type. But the simple example is what? Cheese, butter, na jellies. Na nowadays the toffee of jellies are available in the market. Then the solid dispersion medium is solid and dispersed phase is gas. That is lesser quantity particle is a gas. So what? Solid foam. Okay, it is called pumice stone, foam, rubber. Getting? Now the dispersion medium is changed to liquid, and if dispersed phase is solid, then it is called simply what? Soul. Now that is called very simple type of colloid to which we are familiar. What? Dispersion medium is liquid, like suppose it is water, and dispersed phase is solid, suppose it is starch, so that becomes starch soul. So simple it is called what? Soul. Like paints, cell fluids, muddy water, starch, colloid, etc. If both the medium are liquid, then this is called emulsion. Okay, like milk, hair cream, etc. Okay, paint also, but emulsion is not in our topic. Then if the dispersed phase is gas in liquid, okay, then this is called what? Foam. Like froth, in the flotation process we use what? Air, okay, which bubbles out the froth. Okay. If the dispersion medium is gaseous and the dispersed phase is solid, then this is called what? Aerosol. Like in water, smoke. Smoke means carbon monoxide, dust particles present in air. Getting? That is, air is in larger quantity and carbon monoxide and dust particle are in lesser quantity, therefore called aerosol. Smoke, dust. Then if the dispersed phase is liquid, then this is called aquasol, like fog, okay, and mist. And very important part nowadays, which what we are observing, cloud. Cloud, that is what? What is the cloud? Here large quantity of what? Air, in which the liquid, that is water vapors, are dispersed. So that become what? Cloud. So here in air, the liquid particles are dispersed.